Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to create a website in just 5 minutes using free AI tools. Yes, you heard it right, 5 minutes. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of quick and easy website creation. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a platform. The first step is to choose a platform for your website. We'll be using a fantastic free tool called Carrd. Head over to carrd.co and sign up for a free account. Carrd is a user-friendly platform that's perfect for simple websites and landing pages. Step 2. Select a template. Once you've signed up, choose a template that suits your needs. Carrd offers a variety of templates for different purposes. Whether it's a personal portfolio, a business site, or a creative project, they've got you covered. Step 3. Customize with AI. Now comes the fun part, customization with the help of AI. Carrd has an integrated AI tool that can assist you in designing your website. Simply click on the AI button, and it will suggest color schemes, fonts, and layout adjustments based on your content. Step 4. Add content. Time to add your content. Click on the sections you want to edit, and you can easily add text, images, links, videos, audio, choose a photo from gallery, add timer, and more. Also, change background you want. Don't forget to personalize it to make it uniquely yours. The AI tool will also provide suggestions on content placement for a clean and professional look. Step 5. Publish your website. Once you're satisfied with your website, hit the Publish button. Carrd will provide you with a free subdomain, but if you want a custom domain, you can easily connect one. Add your name, email, password, confirm password, title, description, and domain name. Congratulations, you've just created your website in 5 minutes. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a website using free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends who might be looking to create their own websites. Thank you for joining us today on Your Channel Name. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy website building!